Are you tired of waiting for your oven to preheat before you can start cooking? Say goodbye to preheating with the revolutionary GE Profile Smart Oven. This innovative countertop oven is packed with features designed to streamline your cooking process and deliver delicious results every time. Let's dive into what makes the GE Profile Smart Oven a game changer for home cooks everywhere. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the GE Profile Smart Oven with no preheat into your kitchen. No preheat necessary. With the GE Profile Smart Oven, there's no need to wait for your oven to preheat. Whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying, this oven utilizes zero preheat technology to ensure that your food reaches its optimal temperature in no time. Say goodbye to wasted time and hello to faster cooking with the GE Profile Smart Oven. 11-in-1 functionality. Experience unmatched versatility with the GE Profile Smart Oven's 11 preset functions. From air frying and toasting to broiling and baking, this countertop oven has everything you need to cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. With just the touch of a button, you can whip up everything from crispy fries to golden brown pizzas, all without the need for multiple appliances cluttering up your kitchen. Space-saving design. Despite its impressive capacity, the GE Profile Smart Oven features a compact design that fits neatly under standard 18-inch upper cabinets. With dimensions of 17 inches wide and 11.5 inches high by 19.5 inches deep, this countertop oven offers full-size oven-like capacity without taking up valuable countertop space. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, the GE Profile Smart Oven is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Purposeful smart features. Take your cooking to the next level with the GE Profile Smart Oven's purposeful smart features. With voice control capabilities, you can easily set and adjust time and temperature settings without lifting a finger. Plus, with connected guided recipes via the Smarth app, you'll have access to a wealth of culinary inspiration right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. In conclusion, the GE Profile Smart Oven is a game changer for home cooks looking to streamline their cooking process and achieve delicious results with ease. With its innovative no-preheat technology, 11-in-1 functionality, space-saving design, and purposeful smart features, this countertop oven offers everything you need to take your culinary creations to the next level. Say goodbye to traditional ovens and hello to the future of cooking with the GE Profile Smart Oven. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.